you guys are doing great, and in case you are watching me for the first time, then let me tell you, I recently started my YouTube channel and I post videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So do consider and subscribe my channel, and also follow me on Instagram for all the quick updates. Okay, so Rakshabandhan is coming. We all are excited, not that much because of this pandemic, but yes, जो है जैसा है हमें enjoy करना चाहिए. And in this video I get makeup and styling together. So the very first part is styling, and मैंने जितने ही outfits दिखाए हैं उनमें से कुछ मैंने purchase किए हैं, कुछ मैंने पहले के use किए हैं. So I'll try to mention the similar one in my description box. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. In the very first look, I paired my white chicken curry kurta with a red and yellow beautiful printed skirt and a chiffon yellow dupatta. तीनों ही Myntra पे available हैं. You can check the link in description box. And I'm completing this look with this silver oxidized chunki and a side pleated ponytail. In this look, I paired a white high neck top with this bright pink full circle skirt. I think I got this high neck top from Myntra, and I'm completing the look with this kundan earring, and मैंने high ponytail करा है just to highlight my high neck top. Oh yes, and this beautiful stone bindi. Pretty na? For this look, I paired my full length ethnic gown over this black jumpsuit. मैंने ये श्रग डेली मार्केट से लिया था, बट मैंने यहाँ एक सिमिलर श्रग मेंशन किया है. I completed the look with a single parted ponytail and this small cute jhumkis. Here I am wearing a colorful flared maxi dress and styled it with a single parted ponytail, gold eye makeup and this beautiful silver stoned earring. For this I paired a red kami top and this wide white plazos. And as you can see कैसे यहाँ पे मैंने अपने earring को brooch की जैसे यूज़ किया है for some ethnic feel. And yes, I'm ready to go. Okay, that's all for outfits. Let's move to the second part of this video, which is makeup part. And makeup हम थोड़ा light करेंगे क्योंकि day time पे करना है. So let's start. First, moisturize your skin perfectly. Then use primer to make your skin makeup ready. First, I'm using Fit Me foundation as a base, and I just love it because it is so light. Then I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me concealer gently under my eyes and all the spotted area. Now I'll use Fit Me compact powder to set my base. You can use loose powder too. First, brush your brows perfectly and then start filling it. I am using Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I started blending my crease with a brown shade. Here I am applying concealer as an eye primer, and now applying a silver shimmery shade on my eyelids. Using this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner to define my eyes. And doing all the further procedure like curling my lashes, applying mascara, and now this kajal also. Here I am using Swiss Beauty palette for contour and blush too. And at the last, my most favorite part, highlighting. Now using this Lakme Absolute Pink shade lipstick. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you liked it. Hope this will be helping. And if you liked it, then please hit a like button and do comment below. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. You know all the customs, right? So happy Rakshabandhan. Enjoy your Rakhi. See you soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.